fascinating world inside a honeycomb hive. The point of this experiment is to determine whether deposits an egg into each cell, setting the stage for ants versus humans. Who can solve problems better? The point of this experiment is to determine whether ants or humans are better at maneuvering a T-shaped object through a maze. For this experiment, humans were prevented from communicating with each other, which replicates the limited communication abilities of ants. You can see that the ants did an excellent job at solving the problem. In fact, the experiment showed that ants are better than humans at solving this problem when working as a group. Ants' moves were done strategically. Human groups, on the other hand, didn't show the same level of coordination and cooperation as ants did. Humans were going after short-term solutions that seemed efficient, but were less effective overall. This is likely because each human in the group wanted to move the object in their own way. Ants, on the other hand, acted as a single unified entity with one shared goal: